Alright, today I want to introduce you to another set of turning tools. These are called scrapers, and I'll use the term conventional scraper because they're like a spindle tool and they have a tang on them here. They're not a negative rake scraper and they are not a carbide scraper. So these are just general conventional scrapers, and you can see they come in all kinds of forms. This rounded out, it's easy to get into a bowl. This is easy to get into inside of a bowl. This is easy to get into anything doing spindle work. Here's one that's got a point on it, so you can do lines and V's and things. Here's a smaller one, so this would be about an inch. This monster would be 1.25 inches, maybe. And then this one is 3/4 inch. I'll just grab my big one, turn on my product, and the way you use these is they need to be kind of in a down orientation, not super down, but just not pointed up, and you just put them in against the wood. So this is what's called scraping. This is what you do with a butter knife on top of your pack of butter, is you scrape some off, and it doesn't get as good of a cut as a conventional cut, whereas with a steak you have to use a knife and cut the steak with a knife. So that's kind of the difference between scraping and cutting and turning, and you see that chipped out there too. So I really should get my gouge out to rough this down. But one thing scrapers are really good at is if you have a few little bumps like I have right here, you can scrape them right off pretty darn easy. Make it nice and flat. Holding it in like that, getting rid of ridges, that smoothed it right up. So that's what a traditional scraper is. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell your mom.